After a short 2-hour flight, we've arrived in Denver. We'll be here for a few days before heading out to the mountain resort community of Winter Park. But before we do any of that, we're making our way from the airport into the city. This trip on average takes about 30 minutes. Founded in 1858, Denver is not only the capital of Colorado, but also its largest city, lying more than 1 mile above sea level. We're taking part in a Segway City tour.
Here we're downtown Denver. Got a little surprise for Lacey. We haven't told her what it is. Well, good morning. This is day 2. Today we're in the mood for a little culture. So we are visiting a series of museums. This one that we're visiting today was recommended by a friend of Lacey's. So we're curious to see what's all in store with it.
Roger, Eagle, I'm gone. Roger, how does it look?
All right, so we visited Denver Museum of Natural Science. Highly recommended.
Nature and Science.
What is it called? Nature and Science. Denver. Nature and Science. Now we're visiting our second museum for the day, which is Meow Wolf. Meow Wolf. I'm gonna get it right. Meow Wolf. Good morning again, or whatever time it is for where you are. We have finished up our time here in Denver and are now heading to Winter Park. To get there, we're taking the train. We're heading back over to Union Station.
Located about 2 hours from Denver is the resort community of Winter Park, comprising a variety of accommodation styles, ski runs for beginners to advanced, varied dining options to an abundant offering of shopping choices. It's easy to understand why Winter Park is so popular with families. We're only here for a few days, so yes, I'm getting ahead of myself. Back to the train station.
Well, we finally arrived here in Winter Park. We came to the train station. There's supposed to be a bus that picks us up from here and then takes us on to the resort.
It is cold. Much colder than Denver.
After checking in and dropping off our belongings, we're headed to the adjacent town of Fraser via the local free community shuttle, the Lift, that connects Winter Park to the surrounding area. The tubing facilities here are sold out until January, so we're headed to Colorado Adventure Park. One big advantage here is that there are more runs available than offered back in Winter Park. We're ready for this.
Good. Well, we've enjoyed our time here in Denver, or specifically in Winter Park, and now we're heading back to Denver. Had a couple of challenges today. One, our train is running a little late, a little behind, and two, it's starting to snow. I don't know if you can really kind of tell in the video, but we're here at the train station. Got to wait a few hours before the train arrives. It is still going to be here. It's delayed, but they're running behind. It sounds like by a couple of hours. But they've kind of notified us that they may get here. It'll make up some time. And then from here, we head back into Denver. And then from Denver, we fly back to Austin tomorrow. Journey's not over, a little bit more going on, but we've had a really good time so far here in Colorado.
If you've enjoyed the video, click the like button and consider subscribing. Make sure you click the notification button to receive notices of future stories. Thanks again for watching.